Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Panef, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlook. Starting with a brief outlook on what happened up till today. U.S. markets. The U.S. main indexes are keeping the positive uptrend with 50 pips move on the Dow Industrial 37, on the Nasdaq, and 20 pips increase of the S&P 500 commodity traded index. This was all upon mixed data from the calendar, where we saw a decline in the orders of durable items, but a positive, way positive outcome of the manufacturing survey from the Fed Bank of Richmond, and also the way positive outlook of the individual consumers in the U.S. economy. The US dollar has gained some power over the Swiss franc and the loonie, the Canadian dollar, where the move was substantial, 80 pips. Major news day from the calendar today, interest rate decision, quantitative easing purchases, program outcome, and the monetary policy statement. Later on today, moving along to Asian markets, following the positive retail data and way more positive than expected industrial production. Preliminary data from Japan, the Nikkei 225 has gained some strength and also backed up by the positive moves on the U.S. Markets and the positive earnings from the biggest insurance companies in Japan. The Nikkei has added another 20 pips in yesterday's session. Today, we're expecting the foreign stocks and bonds investments outlook for the Japanese yen. China, the Hang Seng in China is adding some strength as well. Chinese stocks trading in Hong Kong rose to the highest level in 5 weeks after the nation's biggest insurers again reported a jump in profits, and also power producers surged on prospects for price reform. Hong Kong's securities regulator, which is a major news, has completed the preparatory works for planned trading link with Shanghai Stocks Exchange as well. With regards to the New Zealand dollar, the currency has gained some strength on positive business confidence and business activity indicators. Interest rate decision is scheduled for today, later on. No changes is expected there. During the Asian session later on today, the Australian dollar might be affected by the retail sales and import and export prices data. Moving ahead to the European markets, the DAX and the CAC 40 are continuing the uptrend. 160 pips for the German index and almost 20 pips on the French. The euro has managed to gain some positiveness against the US dollar and the British pound yesterday, and with no major events for the calendar from today, we are to focus on the data scheduled for tomorrow, where the unemployment for Germany, along with the CPI and consumer prices year on year and month on month, will have a major impact on the euro, along with a few Tier 3 events from the ECB, indicating the business and consumer outlook, along with the services and industrial confidence. Taking a look at the British FTSE, the index is adding confidence as per way positive economy outlook and the stronger pound. An interesting output here will be the fact that on the long-term bond auction, where the futures expire in 50 years from now, there we saw 98% bought by institutional retail investors. So basically, this is giving us a way positive confidence in the British economy. Mr. Cameron is still trying to find support not to pay the bill requested by Mario Draghi and the European central bankers. And even his main ally from Denmark also commented that they will have to follow the law and pay the 1.7 billion pounds paycheck to the ECB. On the market, the pound gained power over its main rivals, and on the news front, we are to see quite a few liquidity indicators from the UK calendar. Those would be net lending to individuals, mortgage approvals, money supply, along with the consumer approvals for September. On the commodities side, gold is struggling, managed to add a couple of dollars to a troy ounce, but the main trend remains rather bullish. The WTI has also managed to add almost $1 to its price per barrel, where we might see a start of a long-waited bull market. Having in mind that the last global survey outlook is telling us about stronger and growing global demand on daily basis for the next 5 years. The natural gas has made a substantial movement yesterday, managed to increase its price with about 8 cents per thermal British unit. And today, the Ukrainian and Russian energy ministers are gathering in Brussels to discuss the energy crisis. We're also waiting to see a final approval for over 1 billion euros supporting the Ukrainian energy sector by the European Union. That was all from me from today. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a successful trading day. Take care. Bye-bye.